high availability and elasticity. An elastic load balancer is highly available. Since it automatically distributes traffic across your Amazon EC2 instances in a single AZ or multiple AZs, it increases the availability and fault tolerance of your applications. Capacity is automatically added and removed based on the utilization of the underlying application servers. ELB is also a fully managed service, meaning you can focus on delivering applications and not installing fleets of load balancers. Security. Elastic Load Balancing works with Amazon Virtual Private Cloud, Amazon VPC, to provide robust security features, including integrated certificate management, user authentication, and SSL/TLS decryption. Together, they give you the flexibility to centrally manage TLS settings and offload CPU-intensive workloads from your applications. Application Load Balancer also supports integration with AWS WAF, the Web Application Firewall service. This adds a level of protection before bad actors reach the application. Further, S2N and HTTP Guardian have been developed as open-source solutions to reduce the potential for HTTP-based attacks. Feature breadth. Elastic Load Balancing offers the breadth of features needed by businesses of all sizes while delivering them in an AWS native experience. Elastic Load Balancing includes support for features needed in container-based workloads, including HTTP2, gRPC, TLS offload, advanced rule-based routing, and integration with container services as an ingress controller. Application Load Balancer provides customers with a native HTTP endpoint for calling Lambda functions, removing the dependency on other solutions. Further, Gateway Load Balancer creates one gateway for routing traffic through fleets of third-party appliances. Robust monitoring and visibility. Elastic Load Balancing allows you to monitor the health of your applications and their performance in real time with Amazon Cloud Watch metrics, logging, and request tracing. This improves visibility into the behavior of your applications, uncovering issues and identifying performance bottlenecks in your application stack. Elastic Load Balancing helps ensure compliance with Application Service Level Agreements (SLAs). Integration and global reach. As a native AWS service, Elastic Load Balancing is tightly integrated with other AWS services like EC2, ECS, EKS, Global Accelerator, and operational tools such as AWS CloudFormation and AWS Billing. Across the Amazon global infrastructure and customer data centers with AWS Outposts and on-premises target support, ELB is available everywhere you run your AWS workloads.